Well, this is a special day because this is a Harley-Davidson Road Glide special, and special doesn't even really begin to cover it. This is the bike ridden to the King of the Baggers Championship by Kyle Wyman, and I just got off it running some laps here at Indy Motorsports Ranch, and it is one of the most amazing motorcycle experiences I've ever had in my life. I've ridden 900 motorcycles, and this one is special indeed. It's got the Screamin Eagle 131 motor, but of course it's massaged, pistons, cams and stuff. They're telling us more than 150 rear wheel horsepower. This is so odd to be on a racetrack on a Harley, and this being a road glide, as you can tell, it's a lot taller than any road glide because you need to get the ground clearance up to lean these things over. 55 degrees lean angle, they're telling me that Kyle leans this over at. This is so far beyond the stock bike, and yet it's the stock frame. This looks like a one-off kind of motorcycle racer. It's based on a stock frame. You got a different swing arm, got only in suspension front and rear, which is fantastic. Brembo brakes, which were pretty amazing here at Indy. And the motor has a power band a mile wide. It almost doesn't matter what gear you're in, you just turn the throttle and the thing just vaults out of any corner or down any straightaway. I don't know how fast I went, but I was pretty thrilled, I'll say that. And when you bank this thing over in the corners, it feels like you're on a low-flying aircraft, and yet everything responds like a race bike should. And to have taken the base of a road glide and to make a super fast race bike out of it, it's nothing short of phenomenal. Harley-Davidson has done something amazing here. The stock bikes are great. They're better on the street, obviously. You wouldn't want to ride this on the road, I don't think. One of the reasons is because it's tall as hell. Here's me putting my feet down. There is so much ground clearance built into this motorcycle that it needed to be tall. And so when you're riding this bike, I've been on a bunch of race bikes before on racetracks, this feels like nothing else. So for Harley-Davidson to have come up with this, and the other special story about this that I really appreciate is that Harley-Davidson's engineers, they've taken time out of their normal work duties, and this is a passion project for them. They work overtime, extra hours, weekends to make and develop this. So now this is getting retired for the 2021 season. 2022, they've got a newer version, and if this is anything to base it on, I think the 2022 bike is going to be even more special. So Indian is going to have a tough time trying to beat the Road Glide.